Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm really excited to be here with you guys for another YouTube video. Today, we're going to be going over some trades that we took trading the London session last night. Some amazing opportunities last night trading London with us live in the TradeStar live room. If you guys were there, you guys definitely caught the moves that we caught. Made a little bit over $7,000 trading in the London session. And what I want to do is I want to break down how I was able to make those profits trading Euro CAD. So that being said, let's go ahead and hop on the charts and get right on into it. Perfect. So family, now that we're on the charts, we caught a lot of nice moves on Euro CAD this week, to be honest, right? We had a nice move where we traded Euro CAD off of this range. There's an imbalance with a higher time frame point of interest. Then we had like the 88.6 off the fib as well. Really nice trade right there off of Euro CAD. We caught this off the higher time frame and we took this lower. This was for our premium members in the Discord. And that was a phenomenal idea. But what I want you guys to understand is on the move we're going to be talking about today, we were trading from this lower high down to this lower low, right? One thing that we always talk about is measured moves, right? So we looked at the market, we had a measured move. We had a measured move. I don't know why that was glitching out. We had a measured move roughly about this size. Usually when we have moves like this, 9 times out of 10, we have similar moves right after the fact. We had another move just about equal to or greater than, a little bit bigger. But regardless, we're trading from this swing high down to this swing low, this low down here, right? Now, what I did was I came into London session and we started focusing in on what the charts were showing us in this range, right? So right off the rip, none of this existed yet when we came up on the charts. We're looking at the charts like where we're just focusing simply on this range right here. And what we ended up seeing was this. Is first things first is price came through and made its lowest lows, right? So off the bat right there, we have equal lows, right? And equal lows, a lot of people misunderstand equal lows. Equal lows means not this, where they're not actually equal. Equal lows has 2 variations. It's where they're damn near exactly equal, or the first one is a little bit higher than the second one, right? So in this example, there's some form of liquidity right down here, right? And there's another form of liquidity down there. So in regards to it, what we got to factor in is, yes, they're equal lows, or you could say that there is some downside liquidity here. Either or, regardless, whatever the case is, it does not matter. There is liquidity down, up, under these lows. The next thing we looked at was the time zone that we were in. We looked at the ranges that we were trading in, right? In this particular one, we're trading from London session, the open of London. So what did we ended up doing? We started looking at price from here to here. We identified what our Asia range was. And now that we had our Asian range identified, we were just seeing how we were trading out of it, right? So overall, now we got to think about the thought process. The thought process when we're looking at the charts in real time is we're very bearish, right? People are still trying to panic sell. People are FOMOing, wanting to catch this move. They didn't catch all this easy sell, so they want to catch the next sell. Their thought process is, okay, we made a move down. We're chopping. We're finally busting down. So all the weak-handed sellers are selling now, right? And then what ends up happening is very simple. We have some form of liquidity here. That liquidity gets grabbed, right? And then we move in the next direction, right? So let's do this. All right, so we put some bars on the graph. What we did at this point was very simple. We took our measuring tools and we measured the specific candle of interest, which was, where are my favorites at? Here they are. We measured this from the open to the close. And what we did is we took our long position From here, we had a stop loss right there at the low. And then we were just targeting these. We were targeting this level right here. So just for the sake of it, we can put this here. We were just targeting this area right there. And we can sit back and watch what happens. All of this makes sense. Right after we did all of this, this is what I want you guys to really focus in on. We had this move here, this move here. What did it do? It was a liquidity grab. We grabbed that liquidity. We had this zone here. Change color to this to blue. We had this zone here, which was Asian range. This was our lower low that created a higher high. So from here to here was our new trading range. Now, in regards to the trading range, we could just sit back now and watch and see what happens. This was a phenomenal trade. Tapped us in, and boom, smack TP. And that is the end of that, right? Now, in regards to this, these are trade ideas, market ideas that you could actually be a part of and participate in, right? So this trade was actually a free trade. And what I mean by free trade is in our TradeStar strategies community, we have a premium side of our Discord. We have premium members, and then we have all of our members, right? We have a free community of traders just like you and me who are wanting to get some stew. And when it comes down to it, as we can see, all of our free traders made very nice profits too, right? 868, 667, 130, 7K, 2K, 26. Somebody made $1,900. Amazing. We got these sniper entries. $5,000. Insane. I could sit here and show you all these people profiting, passing their challenges, cashing out no matter what. Everyone was making money on these moves, right? At the end of the day, I can sit here and scroll and show you all these people making all these results, but it doesn't necessarily mean anything up until the point where you don't get started for yourself, right? So family, with that being said, in regards to this video, this one's pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed it. We just cracked 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm really excited about that. I appreciate y'all showing love. If you guys have been enjoying the content, please leave a comment, subscribe, tell us what you'd like to see more of. We're going to be doing some type of giveaway here shortly in regards to hitting this 5,000 subscriber mark. And on top of that, make sure you tap in with us in the Discord. Whether you want to just be a free member or you want to become a premium member, we're going to welcome you with open arms regardless. So that being said, family, we appreciate y'all. We're going to see y'all from the top. And we're looking forward to having another profitable week next week. Let's go!